We're recording for Harrison and Brianna and, is that it?
That's it.
That's it. Okay, so I just gave them the study guide. There is 36 questions on it. We'll see how far we get today. But the way that I structure kind of reviews and study guides before a test is that, like, we'll go through section by section. So there's 4 questions in this section. We'll do 2 of them. Then you do 2 on your own, and then we'll give you the answer. So if you're watching this and you're going faster than we are, you can, like, fast forward through the video or watch it double speed or whatever you want to do, okay? So number 1, 9 more than 30 divided by 10.
30 divided by 10 plus 9.
30 divided by 10 plus 9? Yeah. That will work. What about 9 more than 30 divided by 10? Will that work too? Yeah. Yeah, technically the way that this is worded, right? That would maybe work. Otherwise, they might say the quantity of 30 plus 9. I would maybe go with this one. But technically, I would probably accept this one as well, even though they're not the same. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yep. Okay. Let's go down to number 3. So 5 less than the quotient of 40 and 8.
40 divided by 8 minus 5.
40 divided by 8 minus 5. Yeah?
Which I was a little bit confused when I did that, because usually they give us, like... Can you just write it out, like...
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Nope, that's good. Okay. You do 2 and 4. I will do them up here on the board, and then you check your answer. But don't look at mine until you're done with yours. How about that? Okay? Maybe? Maybe? Yes. Go fast. You're going to miss it. Okay, 2 and 4.
Doesn't matter how I can just write it.
You write it linearly? Yeah? So did you do like 10 plus 12 divided by 40 minus 29? But you put parentheses. That totally works. Yes, as long as you have parentheses. You have to have parentheses if you write it like this. Okay? Okay? That's fine. That'll work. Yep. Now, technically, you don't even need to have parentheses on this one because order of operations says you do multiplication first, right? So, yep. I like the parentheses too. It helps me, like, know which one to do first. Okay? All right. 2 and 4, are we okay on those? Okay, let's go to the next section. So, which one of those would you like to do together? The middle one?
6. The middle one.
6? Okay. All right. Where should we start with that one? The parentheses, so let's deal with like this guy first, okay? Let's do 2 times 4 is 8, plus 7 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. I have different colors, so there's that. Okay, so 23 minus 3 is 20. That was a lot of steps all at one time. Okay, then
5,000 minus...
what is 5 to the 4th power? What? 625? No. Oh, yeah. That's your final answer, right? 5 to the 4th power is 25 times 25, right? Because 5 squared and 5 squared, right? Okay. And 25 times 25 is 625 minus 200, which is final answer, 425. Is that okay?
If you do pen dots.
Yes. Right. Yep. Exactly. Okay. All right. You do 4 and 7, and I will do those as well.
4 and 7 or 5 and 7?
5 and 7, that's what I mean. Ooh, this one maybe. It's number 7. Number 7 might trick you. Number 7 might trick you.
That's confusing.
Because you can't go left or right. I mean, like, yeah.
You can, and it would just get you the wrong answer. That's why she said you can.
Okay.
Am I the only one? Am I the only one? Like, pen dots. You? So, no, I just typed this one. And then, well, I thought, I was thinking of 22 and 12, and I was like, oh, duh. Yeah, I started 21 and 12 in my brain, but I said 21 and 12, my brain went 10. 10.
Oh, yeah, birds. Okay, 30 and 9, is that what we got? For 5 and 7? All right, I'll leave those up there, but we'll kind of zoom in just a little bit. Braxton, are you good?
We're doing 8 together.
Okay, we'll do 8 together. So, the whatever family is going ice skating. There are 5 adults and 2 children and 2 seniors. 5 adults, 2 children, 2 seniors. Okay? One of the adults and both children need to rent ice skates. So 1 adult, 2 children for skates. 2 of the adults and both children will be taking lessons. So 2 adults and 2 children are taking lessons. If they also buy 6 snacks and 9 drinks.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to break our brains.
Okay? Find the total cost of the people. Holy moly. All right. Woo! Okay, so let's deal with this first. 5 adults and 2 children.
6 chunks.
And 2 seniors. So this guy would be 5 times 8 plus 2 times, is that 12? No. No, wrong. Boo, they don't even give us to us in the right order. How much do adults cost? 12. Children cost 8. Seniors cost 10. Okay, let's figure out what that is. 5 times 12 is 60. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 10 is 20. So $96 for admissions. 96 for that. Okay? Now skates. We have 2 children that need skates.
So that'd be 10.
And 1 adult that needs skates.
8.
So that would be 18 for skates. Yeah?
Yep. Yep.
Oh.
Okay. Lessons will end up being 2 adults. So 2 times 35 is 70. And 2 children would be 40. So 40 and 70 is 110. We're going kind of fast. Are we doing okay? And 6 snacks and 9 drinks. So 6 times 3 is 18. 9 times 2 is 18. And that is 36. So now we add all together. 96 plus 18 plus 180. Or 180. 110. Woo! Plus 36.
260.
260. That's an expensive trip for 9 people.
I won't even do lessons.
I don't feel like that is as expensive.
Maybe not. Maybe not. 9 people. That's a pretty large group.
The lesson part probably wasn't necessary.
Lessons probably wasn't necessary. Yeah.
Maybe for the children, but an adult.
But sometimes they make you, like, if a child goes, you have to have an adult with them, you know. So maybe that's why they did that. I don't know. Okay, happy with that? Okay, verbal expression. Which one would you like to do together? 9? Okay. How do we make sure that the A and the 10 are together on the top? The quantity of. Or let's do the sum of A and 10 divided by 7. Can we do that? Okay.
The sum of.
Okay, you do number 10.
Oh, right there.
You may have done something different than me, but that's okay.
That's what I said. I just started.
I did the product of 7 and d to the 4th power.
I did 7.
That's fine. 7 times d. Yep, sure. Yep, you can call it a number if you want to.
The order of the words I do, I start with PEMDAS. So I start with my expressions and I.
Oh, yeah, sure, that would work.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yep, yep, that works. How about that? Are we okay with 9 and 10?
Yeah.
We're trucking right along. Okay. All right, more of these. A number, n, increased by 16. N plus 16, these are easy. 12q squared minus 2 times q.
Q cubed minus 2.
Q squared minus 2q. Did I skip the wrong one? Minus 2 times q? That how he looks? Q squared minus 2q? Yeah, yeah? Okay. 7 more than the sum of 6 and t. What's the sum of 6 and t?
7 plus parentheses 6 plus. I hate when they do t's because then just like plus plus.
I know. I make my t's curved.
Plus plus plus.
My t's have a curvy on the end of it. That's fine. If you swap them. Yep. When you are adding, it doesn't matter if you switch them, but if you're subtracting, make sure that you don't, like if they would say 7 less than, it would have to be minus 7 and not 7 minus. Does that make sense? Okay.
Or the 7 minus and then put, if you know it's going to be, I guess you don't because it's a variable.
Right.
If you know it's going to be more than,
right.
like, you put absolute.
Absolute value bars. Yeah, you could. Okay. All right, are we good? Let's do 14 together, and then you can do 15 on your own. 14, we're plugging 4 in for C. So 4 squared minus 3 parentheses. B is 9 minus 2 times A is 7. Okay, that looks like an A, but it's a 9. Okay, so this is 16 minus 3, and this is 14, and 9 minus 14 is negative 5, so we got that going on. So this is 16
Minus negative 15.
plus 15,
Plus negative 15.
which is?
Wouldn't that be negative 15?
No,
No, a negative times a negative. Yeah, it's a
So
negative.
it would be like minus a negative 15, right? Or plus 15, right?
Wait, no, but it's a negative 3 times negative 15.
Should be 15.
So it's.
I said it was minus.
Say that again.
Yeah, so inside you have a negative 5 and you have a negative 3.
Yeah.
So that would just be 15.
Plus 15, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm 31.
Yeah. 31? Did we get 31? Okay, 15, let's see what you got.
Oh, it says 64.
Woo! We're going to test my knowledge here. Oh. I don't know. I don't have a calculator. 1, carry the 1. I don't know.
Yeah, you got it.
Hey, perfect.
How are you doing?
Good. Because I do numbers all the time.
He does it all day.
I'm a
every day.
number machine. Okay, not really. Those are fairly okay. Okay. 15, 241, is that what you got?
Just a minute.
I haven't gotten it yet.
Okay, if I'm going too fast and we're on to the next section and you're not there yet, just let me know. And we'll stop, okay? Are we good? Next section?
Yeah.
Let's do, 16. Identify the property. So the one that says 6 plus 11 equals 17, then 17 equals 6 plus 7.
Reflective.
I can flip them around. That's not reflective. That is symmetric. It's the same on both sides. Symmetric. Woo. Yes.
So we can use our book.
On the yes. On the quiz on whatever day we're at. Oh no. On the test. Ooh.
Or do you want us to like write notes on a notebook?
I don't know. Maybe we'll make a note card that has all these properties on.
Yeah, because I need to know
We'll
that
see.
because I already have my.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
kinda
yeah.
cut out all the
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd put
What about 17?
I need a note card.
That is the.
reflective.
That's the reflexive.
What's the difference?
Okay, because it's exactly the same on both sides. Versus the symmetric is symmetry, right? Do you remember doing like in art class where you take the paper and paint on one side and you fold it together? And it's like the mirrored image, okay? This one is exactly the same. This one's the mirrored image, so it's symmetric, yep.
Okay.
Okay? Good? Next page. What time do we get out of here? Oh, we got lots of time. Perfect. Okay. They want us to use the transitive property on 18 to write a solution. So if x plus 4 equals y minus 1 and x plus 4 equals 2, then y minus 1 equals 2. That's the transitive property. A equals C, right? Okay. Symmetric property, we just talked about that. That is flipped around, right?
43 minus t.
So 13 goes in the blank, right? 21 equals 8 plus 13, right? Symmetric property. Okay, number 20, reflexive property.
T minus. Wait.
No, 43 minus.
43 minus.
No. It's t minus 43. It's exactly the same. Reflexive property is just like doing the same thing again. Yep. Just like copy paste, right? That's reflexive. Okay. All right. The next section. Which one should we do together? 23?
23.
Let's do 23 together. What are you going to do first?
Parentheses.
6 plus 2 is 8. And then what?
8. It'd be 1.
8 times 1/8, which is 1. Okay, so we got 4 plus 1 in the brackets, which is kind of like parentheses. That's 5. And answer is
30.
30. You got it. Okay, you do the other two, and I'll give you my answer here in a second.
We also have to name the property.
Oh, name the property. Oh, okay. Oh, it was the 8 and the 1/8, which is, what are those two things?
Multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative inverse. Inverse. I'll say multiplicative inverses. Okay, that's the inverse property. 8 and 1/8. Multiplicative inverse. All right. Next.
I don't know the property though. So it's the 0.
Yep.
I have no idea what the property I'm using.
Okay.
Isn't there 2?
Is there an additive property of 0?
Additive inverse property. Wait, no, additive identity.
Oh, yes, additive identity, right, because you're adding 0.
4 plus 0 is 4.
Is it?
So if you need,
Am I full?
no, it's
Okay.
not, but if you need extra, 2 times
Okay.
8, I'll get it Monday.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
We have to do both.
No, that's fine. Yeah, if you caught one of them, that's okay.
So 22 is the same as 21? It's the same property?
Yes, those will be exactly the same property.
No, easy. If I really,
Okay? As long as you got one of the properties on the ones that had 2 of them, that's fine. Okay? That works. Oh, gosh, 9. I was just seeing if you were paying attention.
oh, I only put 1. I said,
That's a lie.
pay attention. This is why I'm probably
Okay, good. Next. You were just flying right along. Distributive property. This is my favorite. If you distribute 5 and 7 and 5 and 4 becomes 35 plus
20.
20, which is 55.
How did 1 do that fast?
Boop, boop, boop.
64. Oh, no, you did that first.
Okay, do 25. Holy moly. That's 80.
Which is 64.
I thought you minus them.
Oh, it's gonna be the right either
Oh,
way.
wait, that is.
Okay.
Definitely battlefield.
All right, now 26 and 27 are a little bit harder. They want you to write it as the distributive property. What's 58 close to? 60. So instead of writing 58, I'm going to write this as 60 minus 2, right? Because I can do those in my head.
50 plus 8.
What's 9 times 60? You could do 50 plus 8.
54.
Is 540? What's 9 times negative 2? Minus 18. 540 minus 18 is 522. There you go.
Oh, it's easier than it seems.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay. It's so confuzzling.
It's not really.
My brain is not working.
What?
How do you get to number 29?
How do you do 29? Oh, okay, we'll do 29 together. So this one you're going to distribute, but you're going to distribute backwards, right? Because the 4 could be in the front, right?
Well, yeah, but I just need
Okay, so this would be 32 minus, what's 4 times m squared?
4m squared.
4m squared. Yeah, that's it.
That one has no correct
That one doesn't have come out nicely. It says then evaluate or simplify. These are ones that you just can simplify and you can't actually find an exact answer. Okay? All right, you do 28 and check with me when you're done. We're just flying right along, aren't we? 6 left. 6 problems left. Can we get 6 problems done? Then Tuesday we'll do a note card and we'll do whiteboards. How about that?
Yay! I say you just give us 100 on the quiz.
You think so? And call it a day? Okay?
This could be the test.
Yeah, right.
Like have the exact same number.
Yeah, sure. Yes, but I don't need it anymore. Do you know if anybody wants it? You want it? Go for it. You can have it. Take it. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. What?
No, the parts.
I got rid of my black cart. He's all over. He was in here. Okay, 30. A farmer packages potatoes in bags that should weigh 5 pounds. Okay, but they're going to actually weigh them, and they weigh p-pounds, right? Right. Write 2 absolute value expressions that can help you find the difference that they are away from each other. So I'm going to take 5 minus p and take the absolute value, or p minus 5 and take the absolute value. Either way. Okay, either one of those will work. You're just subtracting the difference between them. Yep.
We don't want a negative. You're negative.
I just want to do that.
Okay. All right. We'll do 31 and 33 together. How about that? W is -5. X is 8. Absolute value minus 7. All right. So we've got -25. If we multiply those together, plus 8 is -17. What's the absolute value of -17? Positive 17. And 17 minus 7 is 10. That was really fast. Was that too fast? No? Okay. 6 minus and z is a -4.
So it'd be actually plus.
So it'd actually be plus 4. You're right. Plus 4. Okay. And then minus 2 times 8. So 6 plus 4 is 10. The absolute value of 10 is 10.
-6.
Minus 16. -6. Okay. So it's important to note that just because it has an absolute value in the equation doesn't necessarily mean it won't come out negative, right? Okay? Because you're subtracting after you take the absolute value, right? All right, you do the other 2, and you can check. Oh my. Oh my.
I don't like that one. What? Hold up. Hold on. Isn't that?
Oh.
Isn't Z? Oh, I went to the wrong number to plug in. Gotcha.
Yo.
What?
I did it, but 34. I got confused for a second.
But then you got it?
I
Perfect.
did a lot of
Yeah,
things.
because I looked at your board and I saw what you got and it like made sense.
Braxton, are you all right back there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right, we got 2 left. Holy cow! Perfect. You guys are just flying right along. What? No, they won't let you.
Yeah, they will. They let this if we'll
Mr.
eat
Carroll
kids.
lets us.
We'll get our lunch halfway through, and if we go early, like Mr. Carroll lets us sometimes, then the high school won't cut in front of us, and it's a win-win for everyone.
No, it's not.
Well, yes.
Except for the high school.
Like we always get.
But is there somebody that eats right before you guys?
No. Well,
They'll be
the
gone.
kids, but they'll be gone because it's a Friday.
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, but I told you guys something.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's alright.
We'll see.
We don't
We'll go see.
ever get up there.
Okay, 35. Reggie applies to become a member of a school club. To become a member, 75% of the club members must vote for a candidate. There are currently 56 members in the club. Using this metric, what is the least number of votes they have to have? So 56 times 0.75, and that is how much? Give me the whole thing. 42 point what?
It's just 42.
It's 42 actually?
Yeah.
Oh, that was not very much fun. I thought it was going to come out as a decimal. If it came out as a decimal, like if it came out as 42.1, how many people would have to vote? 43, because a 42 vote, that's not 75%. That would be like 74%, right? So you would have to round up always, right? Okay, so that's kind of the tricky thing. All right, Jada is ordering dinner rolls for an event. She wants to order enough rolls for each person at the event to have 2. A total of 93 people are planning to attend the event. If rolls come in the package of 12, how many packages does she need? All right, so what do we do first? 2 times 93. Okay, and then we're going to divide that by 12. 2 times 93 is 186. Divided by 12 is how many? 15.5, so she would need 16 packages.
We're done.
Okay. Okay. All right. There you go. Goodbye, people watching this video.